I'm Dr. Cheryl Ketola, and I'm the program coordinator for the Honors Bachelor of Applied Technology in Biotechnology. My colleague, Dr. Jennings, and myself, he's the chemist and I'm the biology, and are engaged in honey research. So we assess honey for its healing properties, and we're moving it into the classroom now and into the microbiology and into the instrumental chemistry. So we're actually ramping it up and making the students more a part of what we're actually doing. So we've been able to hire students, but by bringing it into the lab, it's wonderful because then everybody gets exposed to it. For the students that we've hired in co-op positions, we have very specific projects in mind. For instrumental chemistry, if they're doing a honey aspect, they develop the project because it is a senior chemistry course. For the antimicrobial properties, the students in microbiology assess different antibiotics anyway, so we just add honey to the mixture. This is an amazing program. Because the class size is limited by the ministry, you get a very different learning experience here than you do from university. That whole idea of being able to express what you're interested in. So the courses are defined in terms of your learning outcomes, but you get to drive your bus. And it's great because they learn to work as a team. And that's, I think, critical in science today because it's just so technology-based and everybody has a skill set. We have a really, really good employment rate. Our employment rate has always been 90% within the first 6 months, and oftentimes it's 100% within 3. There's a lot of quality control, your food, your beverage, and we have a lot of students involved in that. A lot of students involved in agriculture. We have students that either manage labs or manage biotechnology incubators. It really is a buffet table of choices. There's no reason why you can't get a job.